Revealed on March 7, 2024 alongside the compact R3, the 2026 Rivian R2 marks the company's push into a more affordable midsize electric SUV segment, slotting below the R1 series built on the new Rivian Midsize Platform, MSP. The R2 debuts LG Energy Solutions' latest 4,695 cylindrical cells for higher energy density and enhanced thermal management compared to the R1's 2170 format at launch. It becomes the first Rivian to natively support Tesla's North American Charging System (NACS), with the charge port repositioned from the rear passenger side, as in the Reveal model, to the rear driver side to better suit street-side charging. Powertrain and performance specs. Rivian will offer the R2 in single-motor rear-wheel drive, dual-motor all-wheel drive, and tri-motor all-wheel drive configurations. While final power figures are unconfirmed, Rivian's CEO has indicated outputs roughly comparable to the R1 lineup scaled-down versions, meaning RWD 200-250 kW is almost equal to 270-335 HP, with instant electric torque to the rear axle. AWD dual-motor 350-400 kW is almost equal to 470-535 HP, trimming 0 to 60 miles per hour to the mid-4-second range. AWD tri-motor likely exceeding 450 kilowatts, almost equals 600 HP, for sub-4-second sprints. A 95 kWh plus usable battery pack targets 300 plus miles of WLTP-based range, and the 800-volt architecture, shared with the R1T/R1S, supports DC fast charging at up to 270 kilowatts, replenishing the pack from 10% to 80% in about 20 minutes. Pricing and reservations. Rivian has set a starting MSRP of around $45,000 for the base single-motor R2, with dual and tri-motor variants climbing to $55,000 or more depending on options. Reservations opened with a $100 refundable deposit, and as of mid-2024, Rivian reported over 70,000 pre-orders for the R2. Expected launch. Production is slated to begin in mid-2025 at Rivian's Normal, Illinois facility, with customer deliveries kicking off in the first half of 2026. Early buyers will have the option to choose a Launch Edition package featuring unique badging and exclusive color, details of which are still forthcoming. Exterior highlights. Compact footprint at 185.6 in long, 75 in wide, and 66.9 in tall on a 115.6 in wheelbase. The R2 is shorter than a Tesla Model Y yet boasts 9.8 in of ground clearance for light off-road capability. Rugged design cues. Boxy fenders, flush door handles, and a panoramic fixed glass roof combine urban polish with outdoor readiness. Lighting signature. Full-width LED light bar front and rear, with matrix-style elements for automatic high beam control. Wheels and tires. Standard 19-inch aero-optimized alloys shod with all-season tires, 20-inch performance rims available as an option. Interior and technology. 5-seat layout. 2 rows of comfortable seating with best-in-class rear legroom, and a configurable cargo area with underfloor storage. Large, integrated displays. A 12.3-inch digital driver cluster and a portrait-oriented 15.6-inch central touchscreen running Rivian's Adventure operating system, AOS. Clever storage solutions. Indoor cubbies sized for water bottles, under-seat compartments, and a front gear tunnel carry-through space inspired by the R1T. Sustainable materials. Standard vegan-friendly, recycled sport upholstery, with optional premium Rivian Tech fabric woven from post-consumer recycled bottles. Safety and autonomy. 11 cameras, 5 radars, and 12 ultrasonic sensors underpin Rivian's Driver Plus Advanced Driver Assistance package, offering hands-off highway driving and automated lane changes where permitted. Combining Rivian's signature outdoor-ready ruggedness with refined midsize SUV practicality, the 2026 R2 stands to broaden the brand's appeal, delivering spirited performance, real-world range, and advanced tech in a more accessible package.